Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We are back here in Singapore tonight, and our first agenda of business, as always, every time we are in Singapore, is to get a brick of the latest set, and we're talking about the Masters of Time set. Okay, so kita ba yung video ko? Nahawa ko yung brick. Kita ba?
Hindi, wala yung break. Kita yung dilaw na pader.
Okay.
Saka yung cellphone.
Okay. Ito yung break. Nakaano kasi masikip yung kwarto kaya hindi ko mapakita ganyan. Ito yung break natin.
Okay, kita na.
So anyway, hindi ko mapin yung isa. Dapat pala ito rin.
Pag bubuksan mo siya, ang suggestion ko, kasi ang nakikita lang yung lower end ng cellphone mo, yung pinaka-lower lang kita. So, baka dyan mo ibaba mo dun sa carton yung booster pagbukas mo.
Dito bali ako magbubukas.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Yan lang ang nakikita.
Sige. So hindi lang ako nakikita pero kita yung booster.
Yes.
Okay? Pag in-unmute ko to, baka may kasi tawag doon. Mayroong feedback. Titignan ko, try natin na. Tatry ko lang kung may feedback. Unmute.
Wala naman.
Hello?
Basta wala naman. Ang sinasabi ko,
Hello?
Wala naman.
Okay. Ayan.
Pero nawala, pero sinasabi ko sa'yo, ang cut off ng video mo, hanggang doon lang sa maliit na border ng cellphone mo. Yung hanggang doon lang siya.
I see it.
Pag umakyat ka doon, hindi nakita.
Okay. Sige. So, you're not seeing me guys face yung my face, but you're seeing my hand. So, we're gonna go with that. So again, we are in breaking our Masters of Time. Okay, so as always, we have our bounty prizes. Okay, so let me share the bounties. Last time hindi nakuha yung bounty natin, so I added some more bounty items. Okay, let's see ha. Sorry, naka-iPad lang kasi ako dito. Bounty natin ito. Okay, so we have 3 bounties. The first bounty A, you get this if you're able to pull one of the target SR. So we have 3 target SRs. Okay. Bounty B, ito yon.
Wow.
Okay. And then bounty C, ito. So kung walang makakuha, carry over naman siya to the next break. Okay. So, and of course, we will raffle off the legacy card as well. Okay, so let me just go back to sabihin dito. Okay, so these are the participants for tonight's break. Jasper, Chito, Onin, Conrad, Larry, Pete, and JV. Okay, the 8 participants for the small regular boosters and the anonymous Malakas.
Wala na.
Pete, okay. Si Pete, okay.
Wala na.
Okay, so anyway, so as mentioned, please type in the chat kung sino yung ating bounty A, B, and C. Okay? Tingnan ko na lang kung sino yung na-chat. Okay na yun. Super rare for bounty, Swamp Thing, si So that's bounty A natin is Swamp Thing. Okay? Wala nang second emotion. Okay na yan. Second natin, Samsung, si Conrad ata to, Shadow. Okay? Shadow for bounty B. And then bounty C is Despero. Okay? So guys, again Swamp Thing, Shadow, and Despero. Okay? Sabi na ako din yung Despero. Ano rin pala yung Despero.
Gusto rin naman Despero lahat.
Okay. So, anyway, so let's see. Let's do it. So, again, Swamp Thing, Shadow, and Despero. A, B, C. Yun ang ating bounty. Okay, so let's randomize it, guys. As always, we're gonna roll 2 dice. 7. Okay, very common outcome. And then let's randomize it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Sorry, busog, kaka-dinner lang. 7. Okay. 7, and these are the order from left to right of the back row, and then left to right front row. Onin. Onin is here. JV, I think is not yet here. Larry is not yet here. Pete is here. I'm here. Conrad, Chito, and is here.
Ganito.
Okay, sige. So, I'm going to stop sharing my screen. So, just remember, don't worry, I'll go back and forth naman sa, sa list. Okay. Medyo, it might take some time lang kasi nga naka-iPad tayo. But, this is our brick. Okay, I'm taking out the legacy card. Library has stopped you to... Okay. Okay. Yan. So, ito ating legacy card, guys. Later na yan. Okay. Opening the brick. Okay, sorry, it's not seen on the camera because of screws.
Gusto ko rin manawagan. Baka mayroong may Saturn girl. So,
Oy,
seryoso.
meron ako.
Ben mo sa akin. So, mamaya, usap tayo.
Mamaya. May Saturn girl ako tsaka lightning lad actually.
Hindi, Saturn girl lang kaya ako kasi may legacy ako. Sayang.
Okay. So, I've opened the brick. Okay. I don't know if you can hear me opening it. Okay. So, the first one from left is... Okay. First one is... Good luck to everyone.
Ninyo na to.
Number 1 is Onin. Ayun, pwede pala. Kahit walang kahit naka-tab. Okay, Onin, this is for you. Kita yung booster,
Kita yung booster.
Okay. Onin. So again, we're looking for Swamp Thing, Shadow, and...
Pre, may suggestion ako. Yung break mismo, alam mo, doon mo lagay sa yellow na wall para kita na hinuhugot mo yung booster card at every time na kukunin mo kay Square. Ito yung
baka hindi yung order kasi.
Okay. Wag na. Baka maguluhan.
Baka matumba.
Wag na.
Sobrang sikip ng room, sorry. This
okay.
is... Okay, so...
Ninyo.
Onin. Good luck. Oops.
Yun.
Black Hawk Pilot. Zatanna.
Not bad. Ganda na.
Okay. Nighthawk.
Okay.
Ito na naman si Nighthawk. Mr. Mind. And Batman. Okay, rare Nighthawk for Oni. Okay. Booster number 2 is JB. JB Billones.
Nako, swerte ito pag wala ito.
Swerte si JB for the last couple. Pero wala si Joseph. Si Joseph ang pinakaswerte. Niyaya ko.
Grabe yun.
Ayaw niya eh. Let's say, JB. Easy Company. Robin. Rare. Superman. Assassin and Raptor. So rare, Robin. Wow. Oy. Rare. Booster number 3 is Larry. Larry, nandiyan ka na ba? Larry, are you here? Wala pa. Okay, wala pa si Larry. Let's see. By the way, as I said, meron pang isang break. So baka magsusolicit na ako pero baka kunin ko sa Friday sa Manila na lang bubuksan. Kasi Friday night din ang aking alis. This is Larry.
Okay.
Unggoy. Detective Chimp. Superman. Deadman. Parang Justice League to Uy. Green Lantern. And
SR.
Batman Uncommon. So, first SR natin is Green Lantern. So, wala sa ating bounty. So, most likely may maki-carry over na bounty. As I said, parami ang bounty hanggat di nakukuha.
Parang hirap ng Prime, no? Prime ang mahirap dito.
Hindi kasama yung Prime sa bounty. Pero mahirap na yung Prime.
Parang hirap makakuha ng Prime, no? Parang pansin ko.
Oo, mahirap actually.
Kung hindi Flash Prime, ikaw pa lang yata may Etrigan eh.
Etrigan, oo nga.
That's it.
Number 4 is Pete. This is you, Pete.
Hala!
Good luck.
Chase, so.
Why not? Ano ba? Oh, let's see. Baka si Green Man din to kasi last time Green Lantern eh. Tapos Green Man.
Pwede
Baka
rin Joffrey.
parang kay ano. Daxamite. Etrigan. You were talking about Etrigan.
Oh, yun na nga.
Etrigan Rare. Supernova. Booster Gold and Animal Man.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow, nasa ilalim yung
Rare
chases.
Etrigan. Oy.
Oy.
Number 5 is me, yours truly.
Hala.
Let's see. At least iwas na ako sa Night Talk. Walang yung Night Talk, yung pang-5 ko na ata yan.
Ayoko rin yun actually.
Tingnan natin, what do I have? We have, Time Trapper. Uy, per Decaton.
Uy, pwede na.
Pangatlo ko na to Lady Blackhawk. Uy, makapal. Mukhang may Trick Arrow. Trick Arrow.
Pwede na. Pwede na.
And per Decaton. Pwede?
Okay.
Okay. That's for me. Okay, number 6 is Conrad. Nako, may dalawang SR pa and Chase. So yung last 3 baka juicy Tingnan natin. Mukhang nagko-compete si Conrad and Chito. Pagandahan daw eh. Conrad, it's you. Let's see. Conrad. Wala pa rin yung bounty Conrad. Let's see. Batman. Animal Man. Velociraptor. Ito. Red Arrow and...
Kala ko si Deadpool eh.
Ay, Rip Hunter.
SR. Pwede
SR
na.
Rip Hunter.
Hala, yung Chase ngayon. Sinong dalawa silang naglalaban ng Chase? Hala.
Yak na sabi ni Conrad. Chito, this is for you. Let's
Mukhang
see.
si Garrett at si Chito lumalaban
Isang SR, isang ano pa. Chase. Hopefully tatlong SR kasi minsan dalawa lang SR pero
oo nga eh.
Oo. Maano tong Uy, bubble wrap. I see bubble wrap. Let's see.
I see Chase.
Chito. Tingnan
Batman.
natin to.
Prince to.
Ay, hindi. Batman na bubble
Uncommon.
wrap. Uncommon. Okay. Prehistoric.
Intrax.
Uy, Chase. I see the Chase. Chase King Jefferson.
Sabi kasi King Joffrey. Joffrey nga.
King Jefferson. Congrats, Chito. You got King Jefferson. Chase. Panalo ka ngayon kay Conrad sa pagandahan. My friend. Sabi ni Conrad, my friend.
Sabay ganon. Pagkatapos ng tira-tirahin kanina, my friend ngayon. Ang bilis ng my friend.
My friend kanina,
Ship. Ang bilis ng pagka-ship.
And grabe. This is Okay, congrats, Chito. You got the Chase. Hopefully, meron pang SR.
May offer din ako sa'yo mamaya.
Uy, bubble wrap. Bubble wrap din siya. Bubble wrap
baka
din.
SR to. Baka Dark Sea.
Wrap. Uy, it's a good Dark SR. Poseidon.
Ay, congrats. Wow.
Magandang SR to.
Oo,
Poseidon for you got Poseidon. So, hindi na naman nakuha ang ating bounty. Ano ba?
Parang yan yung break dati namin nila Di ba ganyan din? Poseidon din, tsaka yun, Green Lantern.
Oo nga Hindi, parang yung Green Man? Parang,
yung una-una namin nila Joseph, yung una-una ni Joseph na nakuha ang King Joffrey, alala mo yun? Di ba may Poseidon din yun, tsaka Green Lantern?
Oo nga. Nag-uulit siya. Morgan Le Fay, Dr. Fate. Maganda yung break niya.
Genie Hex. Yung booster niya. Maganda yung booster niya.
Maganda yung booster, actually.
Oo.
Okay, congrats, for the super rare.
Ako na, Giant na.
Okay, Giant na. Pete, tingnan natin. Let's open
Chito,
yours.
PM din kita later, ha? Chito.
Okay, let's open yours, Pete. Oy.
Hello.
Based on our experience, ano to ano ba yung last time? Feeling ko Green Torch. Let's see. Uy.
Okay lang. Okay lang.
Let's see.
Baka prime, mali mo may prime sana. Asa.
Kita ba?
Yeah. Wala na siyang wala na siyang plastic, no?
Meron. Ito, may plastic siya, may plastic.
Oh, yeah, weird. Okay.
Depende. 3, 2, 1.
Green torch nga. Tama
Green
ka.
torch. Teka lang. May may trick arrow,
Uy, pwede.
green arrow,
Oo, pwede na.
tsaka
And
tingnan natin yung team up card. Ang team up card before was
cinnamon usually ito eh.
cinnamon nga. Parang ganun nga. Oo. Kasi ano lang naman. Ano ba yan? Ang alat natin sa mga John Constantine. Parang pare-pares yung nakukuha natin ah.
Oo nga, parang nakita ko na tong break na to dati.
Team up card ni Antro. Team up card
Pwede
ni
na.
Antro.
Okay. Okay.
Oo. So trick arrow, not bad. Green arrow
Not
and
bad.
green
At
torch.
least green torch. Okay na.
Oo. At least,
I'll take
ano yan? Na-equipan
decent.
yan. Pwede mong equip yung trick arrow sa kanya kung gusto mo.
Decent. Decent yan.
Okay.
I'll take
So, walang nakakuha ng bounty. So, dadagdag ako yung bounty items for the next break. But for now, let's raffle off our legacy. Tingnan natin ah. Let me share my screen again. Share content screen. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna randomize the list once again. How many times? 3 times. And whoever on top would be the number 1 will get the legacy card. So it should be 10 times here.
Pa ako dyan.
1, 2, and whoever on top, Jasper. Okay. Ipapasa ko na yan kay ano. Isa pa ulit, 3 ulit. 3 ulit.
3 ulit.
Oo, 3 ulit. Okay.
Okay.
Hindi na ako counted. Wala naman akong DC figures din. 1, 2, 3. JB. Okay, JB. Sige. Kay JB, ang ating legacy. So, legacy card is natin. Hirap kunin. Ang hirap buksan ng mga legacy card.
Nakatakot.
Nakatakot eh. Baka masira.
Baka maputol mo nga.
Papapap. JLU.
Vigilante.
Hoy, Vigilante! JV! Hanap ni Conrad to. Alam ko.
Swerte naman.
Ay, talaga naman. Need daw ni Conrad to. Vigilante. JLU. Okay?
Tayo.
So, again guys, once again, thank you very much for supporting our Brick Break. Meron pang isa. So wait for my call if you are interested. You can already PM me. But until next time guys, I'll stop this recording for now. Thank you. I'll take pictures na lang of what you got. Stop recording.
Thank you.